In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images and video to your project using Clipchamp. Whether you're editing a short film, creating a promotional video, or just looking to enhance your personal videos, understanding how to add multimedia elements is a crucial skill. So, let's get started. First, open up your web browser and navigate to clipchamp.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in to your account. Simply click on the sign in button located on the top right corner of the page. If you haven't created an account yet, don't worry, it's a quick and hassle-free process. Once you click on sign in, you'll see the option to continue with Microsoft. This means you can easily log in using your Microsoft account credentials, which is quite convenient if you're already using any Microsoft services. Click on continue with Microsoft and select your Microsoft account from the list. This will redirect you to the Clipchamp homepage. Now, on your homepage, look for the option to create a new video. It's usually prominently displayed, so just click on it to get started on your project. Once your project environment is set, it's time to import your media files. Click on the Import Media button. This will allow you to bring in video footage or images from your computer. It's as simple as selecting the files you need from your device. Next, once your media is imported, we need to add it to the timeline, which is the main editing area. Simply drag and drop your selected videos or clips onto the timeline. This intuitive method is great for organizing your project seamlessly. To add images, first select a frame in the timeline where you want your image to appear. Now find the image you want to insert and just drag and drop it onto the chosen frame in the timeline. It might require a little adjustment, so don't hesitate to tweak its position until it perfectly fits the frame you selected. After placing the image, it's important to ensure it blends well with your video content. Make any necessary edits to your image, such as resizing, repositioning, or applying filters, so it complements your video perfectly. This can be done directly within Clipchamp's editing tools, offering you a range of possibilities to fine-tune your visual elements. And there you have it. By following these steps, you now know how to effectively add and manage images and video within Clipchamp. Now you're ready to create engaging and dynamic video presentations, enriched with multimedia content. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Happy editing!